I noticed that my refrigerator stopped cooling. The temperature is up to 60 degrees. It's supposed to be 38 to 40. But my freezer is still working. All the ice is frozen. It's just that the vent from here going down in the refrigerator is iced over. The cold air from the freezer should be coming down through that vent. And it's plugged up, probably from ice. So what I'm going to do is just thaw out the refrigerator for a couple of days, and that should take care of it. There's other ways you could do it. Some people take the plate off the top and use a hair dryer to thaw it out. But I have the time, so I'm just going to thaw out my refrigerator to get everything freed up. Thaw it out for a couple of days and see what happens. And while I'm letting my refrigerator thaw out, I got some ice chests, and I put some bags of ice in there, and I put all my food in there to keep it good. Now when you thaw out your refrigerator, you should place a towel underneath here in a bowl or something to catch this. All that water is going to be coming out of there, and you have to have something to catch it. It's going to be dripping everywhere. You should take out the crispers. I didn't show that part, but take your crisper drawers out and lay some towels or rags down in the bottom underneath here, because there's going to be some water accumulating under there from this vent thawing out. That's why it also took me 2 days until any water stopped dripping out. So make sure that you put something underneath that vent and put some towels down to catch that water. Alright, it worked. My refrigerator is working again. It's at just under 40 degrees. That's the recommended temperature for your refrigerator. And now I can remove any towels. They'd probably be saturated by now, but I didn't show that part like I said. So I can remove all this. And then I can start putting my food back in here. You see that little rusty spot coming through the refrigerator? That's been there for like 5 years. I don't know how it's getting through there, but it hasn't caused any problems other than looking rusty. I don't know, it may cause a problem later on, but anybody have any comments on why there's a little pinhole of rust coming through? Now that everything is back to normal temperature, I can put my food back. Good to go for several more months. I hope longer. Another thing I did that I am going to spare you the details of. Look how clean my refrigerator is. While my refrigerator was thawed out, I took the time to clean every part of it. All the shelves, any mildew or dirt. I took this time to clean it and disinfect it with some soap and water. So if you're going to defrost your refrigerator, you might as well take the time and disinfect it and clean it like I did. It's all clean. So it's another good reason to take the time and defrost your refrigerator and then clean it all at the same time. And it smells fresh too.